Hey guys, welcome back to my new YouTube video. As you've all seen by the name of the video, I'm gonna be doing a unboxing video. So I'll be opening up the, if you know anyone knows the family, you know Catherine McBroom. She came out with the skincare line products like the 12th of December. So I ordered it like in January and it just arrived. So I'm gonna be opening this up. I'm gonna be opening it up in the next clip and showing you guys what's in it. So see you then. Okay, so now I'm gonna be opening up with the scissors. So this is the only scissor I found. Good. I wish I had a big one, it would be easier.
Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? Then guidance of value. Love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong. But I'll fix it, fix it. Love,
I told you
love,
to be honest.
I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong. But we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you my mystery. I would like to go with you into the street. Please don't deny your love makes me
So we have paper.
strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong. But I'll
So we
fix
have
it,
moisturizer.
fix it.
This one.
I wanna be strong, strong,
It says 12 gateway now for our moisturizer.
but I'll try and to change it.
Wait, I'm gonna take everything out first. Take all the products out first and then testing it out. The next thing is the Star Seed eye cream. That's what the box looks like.
Loved by you.
Next we have the Galaxy foaming cleanser. She had put SEA for her children, her 3 children, so like Steele, Elle, and Leah. So that's pretty cool. Oh, I like this one. Look at this, guys. It's like rainbow. It shows kind of. Don't know if it shows on camera, kind of. But it's a Sunray Beauty oil, so it's really good for like the sun when you're on the sun. So I'll probably use that more often in the summer. Okay, last thing but not least is like the Marigold lip balm for your lips to get them moisturized, you know. I always have my lips chapped, especially in the winter. And that's about it. Peace. Okay, so we're gonna open the boxes. So I'm gonna start with the cleanser. So you just slide it out like that. That's so cool. Oh my god, it's purple, my favorite color. Oh my god, look. I love it. It's like a foaming cleanser. Oh god, it smells nice. I'm not gonna test it out now. I think I might test it out in another video. I'm just doing an unboxing now. It might be better if I just do that, yeah. But it looks really good, it smells really nice. could put it in the box. Okay, the next thing is the moisturizer. So that's what it looks like. I'm gonna open up see what it looks like. There's a lid. So like there. Oh my god, it smells really. It smells like Nivea cream or something. Oh my gosh, that's what it looks like. It smells really good. Okay, put it back in the box. How it try this out. Next thing is the eye cream, so I'm gonna take it out of the box. I thought it would be bigger. Hold on. Yeah, it's really small. I thought it'd be bigger though. Okay, I'm just gonna open and see what it's like. Okay, I can't even open it. Okay, there, I got it. See, it has like a little lid, as the moisturizer, the same as the moisturizer. Oh my god, it smells really good. So you just put this on your eyes. That's good. Okay, put it back in the box. There. And then put it back in this here. Okay. This is the last thing that has like a box. It's like this one might be oil. So I'm gonna open this. Oh, it's really cold. It's good. It does not really smell, but it's really good. I think it's just kind of like sun cream, but like oil, kind of to protect your skin from the sun. So that's good. Also, next thing, oh yeah, the lip balm is the last thing. Oh god, it smells really good. I pulled it out the camera like you guys could smell. I wish you guys could smell it though. I think I might test it out in the next clip. I know I said it that I wouldn't, but I would do it in a different video. But I think I might test it out. So I'm gonna test it on the next clip. Okay guys, I'm back and I'm in the bathroom as you see by now. So now I'm gonna be wetting my face, trying out the skin products, so I have them here. So I'm gonna be starting by wetting my face, so I need to take my goggles off. Okay, Okay, so I've wiped my face as you can see. And now I'm gonna try out the cleanser. So you're gonna put that on my hand. So I put like this much on my hand, if you can see. Yeah, so that much. And then I'm gonna rub it in together in my hand and put on my face. It smells really good. It actually smells like the sea. Even though it's like a Galaxy foam cleanser. It's also satisfying when you put it on your face. Okay. So that's what it looks like when I put it on. It smells really good. Now I'm gonna rinse it off. Next thing I'm gonna do is dry it off from my towel. Not dry. That's what my skin looks like after drying it. It looks really good though. Okay. Next is I'm gonna use this moisturizer. So I'm gonna use my camera to look. That's it. So I'm just gonna put a tiny bit I might put a bit more on my chin and my cheek as well. And that's it. And then doing circular motions. It's so good. Usually moisturizers I've used are like more thick, but this isn't thick at all. It's really good. It smells really good as well, so that's good. Usually moisturizers I get are like, they don't have like smell, but this does, which is really nice. And it's vegan free as well, so I mean it's vegan, sorry, not vegan free. Wow. It's good. Okay, I'm gonna put the lid back on the moisturizer. But I think I'd use that more often. My first time using it. Okay, next thing I'm gonna do is use this eye cream, Starseed one. Okay, I'm gonna open it up. Oh. There. I'm just gonna put a tiny bit on. So, I just like put a little too much, but it's fine. Let's do this. Just close my eyes and put it all over me. On my eyes. Especially under my eyes. Like, I have dark circles, it's so bad. I'm just a bit more here. Okay, and then my other eye, close that. This eye, and I mean close this eye, sorry. And do it. Oh gee, that's too much, hold on. Here, put some here, go. Put some under my eye. Gosh, it's on my eyelash, hold on. Okay, I'm gonna go into the next clip. Back. So I have another product to test out as well, and that's the Sunlight Beauty Oil. Even though you you usually use it for like protect yourself from the sun, I'm just gonna use it. I'm just gonna use a tiny bit though, not too much. Oh god, it smells really nice. It's like oil. Literally just oil. So that's what it is like. I'm just gonna put a tiny bit on myself and test it out. You can put it anywhere. I might put some here on my wrist. It's nice to use on your wrist. It smells really good as well, so that's good. Okay, I might put some on my chin also. That's really good. Okay. That's what it looks like. Okay. That's what it looks like this morning. It smells really nice and it's really good. Okay, the last thing, but not least, is the lip balm, because I'm going to try it out. It smells really nice too. Okay. Oh gosh. It's so moisturizing. Yeah, it's so like moisturizing. Okay, that's really like moisturizing. So all the products that I've tested today are really good. But my favorite one would probably be like, what is it? it would be the moisturizer here of the 12 Day Wait, and also the cleanser is here. Yeah, so those are the two products that are my favorite ones to use, and it's my first time using it, but like those two are my favorite like to use. So that's all for today's video. Hope you give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below what I should do in my next video. Give me some ideas, some juicy ideas, like anything at all. And actually, I actually might do a Valentine's Day mukbang, because I bought like candy for like Valentine's Day, and Valentine's Day is tomorrow, so I'm gonna be doing that tomorrow. So stay tuned for that, guys. Please turn on the post notification bell to see whenever I post a new video. So see you guys then. Peace out. Bye, Lenah babes.